It is a country where the whispers of ancient traditions mingle with the pulse of modern life. From the verdant rice paddies to the bustling streets of Dhaka, Bangladesh offers a sensory feast for the traveler seeking authentic experiences. This is a land where nature's artistry and human resilience intertwine to create a captivating tapestry. Bangladesh's charm lies in its simplicity. It is a place where the cycle of life revolves around the ebb and flow of its rivers. The people here share a deep connection with their land, a bond evident in their warm smiles and generous hospitality. Venture beyond the cities, and you'll find yourself amidst a sea of emerald green. Here, under the vast Bangladeshi sky, farmers tend to their crops with time-honored techniques. These fertile fields, nourished by the lifeblood of the rivers, are a testament to the country's agricultural heritage. The air is filled with the scent of freshly harvested rice, a fragrance synonymous with Bangladesh itself. It is a reminder of the hard work and dedication of the people who cultivate these lands, providing sustenance for the nation. Life in rural Bangladesh moves at a different pace. It is a rhythm dictated by the seasons, a cycle untouched by the rush of modernity. Villages, nestled amongst the fields and waterways, offer a glimpse into a simpler way of life. Children's laughter echoes through the air as they play by the rivers, their joy echoing the timeless spirit of Bangladesh. The simplicity of life here is a refreshing change, a reminder of the beauty found in everyday moments. Dhaka, the vibrant capital of Bangladesh, is a city of contrasts. Here, the echoes of history reverberate through the Mughal-era architecture, a stark contrast to the sleek lines of modern buildings. The city's energy is palpable, a fusion of tradition and progress that defines Bangladesh today. The streets are a kaleidoscope of activity, rickshaws weaving through traffic, their bells providing a constant soundtrack to the city. Amidst the urban bustle, you'll discover hidden gems, ancient mosques and vibrant markets that offer a glimpse into Dhaka's rich past. Section 5. Sajek Valley. A brushstroke of serenity. High in the hills of Bandarban lies Sajek Valley, a place where the clouds dance among the mountain peaks. It is a landscape of breathtaking beauty, where waterfalls cascade down hillsides and the air is crisp and clean. The sunrise over Sajek Valley is a sight to behold. As the first rays of light touch the peaks, the valley awakens, revealing a tapestry of colors that will leave you breathless. It is a place to lose yourself in the tranquility of nature, to find solace in the silence of the mountains. Section 6. Cox's Bazar, where the Bay of Bengal unfurls. Cox's Bazar, home to the world's longest natural sea beach, is a sight to behold. The Bay of Bengal stretches out before you, an endless expanse of blue that merges with the horizon. The air is alive with the sound of crashing waves and the calls of seagulls. A walk along the beach at sunset is a magical experience. As the sky erupts in hues of orange, pink, and purple, the beach comes alive with activity. Local vendors sell their wares, children play in the surf, and the air is filled with a sense of joyous abandon. Section 7. The Sundarbans, a realm of mangroves and mystery. The Sundarbans, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a vast mangrove forest that straddles the border between Bangladesh and India. It is a world unto itself, a labyrinth of waterways and islands where tigers roam and nature reigns supreme. A boat trip through the Sundarbans is an adventure like no other. The air is thick with the scent of salt water and earth. Keep your eyes peeled for glimpses of wildlife. Crocodiles basking in the sun, monkeys swinging through the trees, and if you're lucky, the elusive